Hey, beautiful people, it's your girl J Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a shop with me video. I will be at Marshall's looking at some Easter decor as well as some furniture and other home decor pieces, and I'd love for you guys to join me. So without further ado, let's get to it. Love all of the Easter decor pieces. As you can see here, they had a great assortment. They had everything from bunnies to chickens to even mushrooms that I'm going to show you a little later on in the video, so stay tuned. But yes, all of the seasonal decor was amazing and very affordable, as you can see here. Okay, so now you can see what I was referring to. These mushrooms are simply gorgeous. Look at the iridescence and the shininess of them. I love the pink and blue colors. And they have these other assortments as well. I was very impressed by all of these. And some of them are LED lighted, so stay tuned. I loved all the beautiful Easter signs, especially the ones that say He is risen. These are very special to me because I celebrate Easter due to it being the resurrection of Christ when He died for our sins and rose on the third day. So these were very much appreciated. Simply amazing. And so here we moved along to the floral section, which I always have to visit when I go to Marshall's. So you can see these orchids, beautiful roses. I'm also going to show you some of the wreaths that they have, so stay tuned. They had a great selection, and again, all the prices were very affordable. So here we have more mushroom inspired decor. As you can see here, this is actually furniture. It's like a little storage ottoman for $59.99. So cute, yellow. They also had it in green and white, I believe. So yes, super, super cute. Well, that's it for today, beautiful people. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's been a pleasure having you. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.